For those who are wondering, one lift kit here, our lift kit here, and you can see it's very solid. Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're here and we want to talk about something that we feel is important, just along with the quality that our products are. And we want to make sure that when somebody receives them, that it starts from the time that they get the box to the time they open the box. This box came today. As you can see, I'm not wanting to call any company out. I'm just calling this as a general box with a lift kit in it. This is how the box came. This is how the box was taped. This is how the label was on it. You can see that I have not reopened it, but if you hear the box, this is a lift kit. This lift kit came to us. This is a competitor's lift kit, came to us today, just like this. Maybe it's not important to people, it's important to us. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm also gonna go into sharing our box, American flag, Westcott Designs. It's in a nice solid box. It actually comes in another box that is over this box to protect this box, to actually keep it in a nice shape. Some people like to put it on display. But I'm gonna open the box, and when I open the box, you're gonna see kind of what my thoughts are on a good packaging job. So nice solid piece of foam. You can see how thick it is, dense on the top. You can see how the lift kit is laid out in here. It's got a sticker. The invoice would be on the top of this. Usually the sticker is actually on the top of this, which it was packaged wrong because of it. You can just see how our stuff is laid out here in the box. Everything has a separate place. Depending what model lift it is, there's another piece that goes in here, another piece in here, and then the hardware goes in here. So we did it like this because we wanted a presentation from the time you received it to the time you installed it to using it, that you understood what our brand stands for and why we do what we do at Westcott Designs. I said we do what we do, a lot of do's. Anyways, is packaging important to you? Do you care if your stuff comes and it sounds like this in the box and not sure? You know what, let's do this. Let's actually open the box. Now, these are not both the same kits, so this is not for kit comparison. This is just to show you that one brand's lift kit comes in a box like this and our brand comes like this. Oh, I almost got a finger right there. Paperwork here. This is how the lift kit came. Came just like this in the box. So they put one piece in plastic, which is obviously to try to keep it from banging into the other one, but you can see all the marks here from it banging around in the box. Got part number on there, that's nice. This has been laser engraved into that. This one actually looks like it has fallen out of the bag, which that definitely doesn't fit in that bag. So I'm guessing this piece used to fit in that bag, but it didn't make it. They don't even seal the bag. Just wanted to share what your thoughts are on this stuff. How important is packaging to you? Taking those extra steps, I feel like, to me, it's special and makes it worthwhile. So there you go. Share that with you. Love to hear from you.